Oh my goodness, guys, we made it. If you're watching this video, you might have just finished all 10 sections of the Great Summer Mosaic Crochet-Along, and now we're ready to finish it off. You don't know what I'm talking about? This is the blanket. This is the Great Summer Mosaic Crochet-Along. It's designed by 10 different designers. We have 10 different summary sections, all using overlay mosaic crochet. I've got videos talking more about it. This is not that. We are finishing up the blanket now, and I am so proud of you. This is no small thing. This is a labor of love, and you did it. But yours might look a little bit different than mine because you have yet to finish off the border. Let me talk to you about that a little bit. What we're creating is an envelope border, sometimes called a double border. You're crocheting 2 different borders and seaming them together, and that's leaving all of those little ends inside. So with overlay mosaic crochet, you start crocheting on one side, crochet across, fasten off, grab your next color and start it back over here at the beginning. Crochet along, fasten off, start back over here. So you're left with all these ends. Now you have a few options on what you could do. You could leave the fringe out like this. Some people love doing that. You could do what's called a twisted fringe. Also another beautiful option. You could weave in all of those ends, and that would give you something that looks more like this. But the finishing method that I prefer when doing overlay mosaic crochet blankets especially is the envelope border. So the envelope border, I think, is just that final touch that really makes overlay mosaic crochet magical. Because not only is it super easy to do, just making stripes, and you get this fancy blanket, instead of weaving the ends or doing anything extra fancy, you just create 2 borders, 1 border in the front, 1 border in the back, and you seam it together, and all of those ends live right there in the middle, rent-free. Okay? My method of doing the envelope border utilizes those special ending and beginning border stitches that we used with these V's, and you're able to lock onto those and really make it a nice, secure border, and I promise you those ends aren't going anywhere. I have a full tutorial, including video and everything, linked in the description. Definitely watch that before you start doing the border because I want to make sure that you fully understand what you're getting yourself into. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. But here's the basic idea. You're going to crochet 2 different borders. The first one, you're going to work on the wrong side of the blanket, the back side. You're going to work in the back loop only, utilize those ending and beginning border stitches that we worked on, and crochet out the back border. Then you're going to flip your project around and work on the front side and use the front loop, the special beginning and ending border stitches, and crochet the front border. Each round of my border, I'm using a different color, starting with A, B, C, D, E, F, grabbing the A, seaming them all together. Border, border, seam them, and all these ends live in there rent-free. No weaving hundreds of ends. They just kind of get swallowed up in there. It might be my favorite thing about the blanket. Truly magical. You'll be using all 6 colors, and so you're kind of finished with this rainbow of colors, everything that you used to create the blanket. It is just such a beautiful finishing touch. So have you ever created an envelope border before? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. I would love to know. I just have to say, when I dreamed up this blanket, asking the 10 different designers for summer themed sections, I wasn't really sure what we were going to get in the end, but I truly love how this turned out. Sunshine, swimsuits, popsicles, sandcastles, all of the sections. It really is just summertime and a blanket. And I'm so glad that you made it along with us. So once your border is done and all those ends are just tucked on in that envelope border, please share pictures. I'm begging you. I would love to see pictures. And I know all the other designers do as well. Tag me at Juniper and Oaks and use hashtag Great Summer Mosaic CAL. And I want to see every single one. I will try to repost and share as many pictures and reels that I see. And let's share a bit of this summery magic with the rest of the world. This whole thing was built on community, and I really want to celebrate you at the finish line. I'm just so happy we did this together. Now go watch the tutorial for the envelope border and finish up your blanket. You got this. Happy crocheting!